Hello children. So today we are going to learn a new interesting topic that is about our friends. So what kind of friend we are? Really? So you have so many friends. You are also friend to other, right? But what type of friend we are? So our lesson is true friend. True means any false friends are there? Maybe. But here true friend means how we should be for our friends. In any conditions, how we should be. Any situations, any time, how we should be as a good friend. That we should learn from this lesson, true friend. Right? So let's see. So comparison is a very foolish attitude because each person is unique and incomparable. Comparison, you know that? Comparison means, yes, that boy is doing that one, he is studying well, she is dancing very well, what about you? You are not ready studying properly, you are not dancing properly. Like that, yes, parents, teachers, you are also compared with the others, right? But is it good? No. Everyone you have unique, you are unique. Unique in the sense, unique means very rare. So, suppose a boy is studying very well means he is interested in studies. If girl is dancing very nicely means yes, she is interested in dancing, right? So they are doing that. What about you? You are not studying properly means in some other subject, in some other field you are interested. Either playing any game or else drawing or else any other dancing, that is a classical dance. If you take classical dance, western, we have, right? So like that, different ways we are very much talented. So don't compare with the others. In which you are interested, yes, I want to do this one, in this. How can you say you are interested in this? Very important, children. You are interested means at that time what you like, that is only interested. Can you take like that? No. Interest means if any difficulty in that, you should be ready to do, ready to face it. Still you are continuing means that is your interested one. Clear? So that is interesting means I am watching TV is interesting. So like this, if you say, is it correct one? Lifelong do you watch TV? What will you get it? What will you become in your life? No. Is it correct one? So in which you are interested. Suppose if you want to play cricket. Yes, very interesting there. Yes, in that cricket if you choose it, suppose if you fall on the ground, you should not feel about it. If a ball hits you also, never. You should not care about it. So you should be ready for all hurdles, problems. So you should face the difficulties also. Still you are continuing, that is your interesting field. But seeing the others, they are doing this one, I want to do this one. No. Is it correct one? Never at all. So comparison is a foolish attitude. That's completely fool. So fooling method. So each person is unique, rare. We have our own talent. So in different fields we have our own talent and incomparable. So for that we cannot compare with any other. So once this understanding settles in you, jealousy disappears. So once if you understand this very properly, whatever you have the jealousy completely disappear. Disappear means removes from your mind. So what is this jealousy? Jealousy means he's doing that one. So next I should not allow him to do it, or else to feel about that person, either girl or boy doing like that. No, that is jealousy. Should not feel about others. They are doing. And each is unique and incomparable. You are just yourself. Nobody has ever been like you, and nobody will ever be like you. Anyone is there like looking like you? No. The same way, how you are thinking, no one is like that, right? So how you are thinking, in which you are interested, you should prove yourself. You should think yourself, children. So, and you need to be like anybody else either. So you need to be like anybody. Are you looking like any others? No. So either, so whatever it is in which you are interested, according to that you should do your work, but should not feel jealous on the others. So now about that one only here, how do we feel about our friends? That we can see in this lesson. True friend, true friend. Now see, long ago, yes, olden days, long ago, there lived a little boy named Sami. There lived a little boy named Sami. In the school, we can take. So your friend name like that, you imagine yourself, Sami. So Sami, a boy is there. He was a good boy, yes. Sami is a very nice guy, good boy. He was good at his studies, obedient to his parents, and more intelligent than many other boys in his class, and very kind to everyone. See how many good qualities he has. He was good at his studies, yes. Very nicely he reads and always he is getting first. And obedient to his parents. Obedient means behave properly. Behave properly to his parents. So always he gives a respect to his parents, and whatever the parents they say, everything he listens to them. That is good behavior. So obedient to his parents, and more intelligent than many other boys in his class. So in his class, he is more intelligent than any other boy. So very talented boy. And very talented means if I feel proud, what happens? No one will be friend. But does he proud? No. Kind to everyone. So very kind-hearted, very friendly to everyone, right? So this is the characteristics of, qualities of our Sami. Grown-ups as well as those junior to Sami loved him very much. So grown-ups, year by year, class by class is going also. His juniors and seniors, that means previous class people and next class people, everyone, they liked him. So but that aroused jealousy in many other boys who longed to be as loud as Sami. So but that aroused jealousy. Some people felt jealousy. Why everyone like him only? Why don't they like us? Like that they felt about Sami also. So who longed to be as loud as Sami? So the remaining people, remaining children who wanted to be lovable to everyone like Sami, those people felt jealousy also on Sami. Right? Yes. Now, there was another boy named, yes, what is his name? Timmy. T-I-M-M. That person is Sami, S-A-M-M-Y. He is Timmy, another boy, who studied in the same class as Sami. So, another boy in the Sami's class only he is. That person is Timmy. So, unlike Sami, he was not good at studies. But he is not like Sami, of course. But Sami is very good at studies, but Timmy is not good at studies and always liked to play during school hours. Is it good? Without being in the classes, can we play in the ground? No. The particular time when the teachers give, at that time only we should go and play in the ground. Right? Or else after the school hours only we should. But here, instead of school, in the school hours also, instead of coming to classes, he is playing in the ground. So is it good manners? No. So, unlike Sami, he was not good at studies and always liked to play during school hours. He misbehaved with his parents. That person is very obedient with his parents, Sami. But here Timmy misbehaved with his parents. Misbehaved means not behaving properly. And bullied to his classmates and even ill-treated Sami. So bullied his classmates. Bullied means forced to do something. Yes, you do that one. Will you do it or not? Like that he commands them and he always force them to do it. So like that he is doing, and even ill-treated Sami. Ill-treated means not giving respect to Sami also. Respect means not of giving respect to just not like so. Yes, he is my classmate, she is my classmate. Like that we should be very proper, friendly, but he is not at all friendly with him. And he always tried to put Sami down and belittle him before other kids in the class. So he always tried to put Sami down. So he plays some tricks. He tries to Sami's misbehavior, like that he wants to prove. But Sami is always good boy, so never ever. So put Sami down and belittle him before others. So before others to feel shame. Like that he tried to do it, but never ever. Whether studies, but no matter what he did, Sami's grades kept getting better and better. So, but no matter whatever he does, but never ever, Sami always getting greater, better and better in his studies and in behavior also. So whether in studies or in sports, or from his classmates also, that Sami kept getting accolades from everywhere. So Sami kept getting accolades from everywhere. That is here getting acknowledgement, recognition of merit everywhere, either in the sports or studies or in other classmates also. Everyone feel happy, proud about our Sami only, right? So on his 8th birthday, Sami got a nice pen as a gift from his parents. Yes, 8th birthday, that is you are studying 2nd class now. So 8 years like this. So for your age only, Sami also got a pen, a nice pen as a gift from his parents. So that parents' birthday gift, they have given this nice pen. So and he brought it to school so that he could use it to take down the notes of the lectures that the teachers gave in class. So the parents presented it. So that pen is very nice to write. That's why he brought that one to the school. Why? With the pen we write it in the school. The teachers will give the notes that we can write. So that's why he brought that. This was a very beautiful pen and it could help one write very fast. So that's very nice pen and he can write with that pen very fast also. That's why he brought that pen. And when Timmy saw it, he was very jealous of Sami. So Timmy saw that one. So he felt jealousy. Oh, you got new pen? I'll see. That he felt very jealousy. So he asked Sami, hey, where did you get this? Where did you get that? Did you buy it? So, hey, where did you get it that? So, where did you get this? Did you buy it? That they asked. So, father, my parents gave it as my birthday gift, replied Sami. Sami gave the reply, yes, this pen was given by my parents for my birthday gift, that he said. So Timmy was overwhelmed with anger and jealousy. Oh, your parents gave this one. So he got angry and jealousy, felt very much about this son. The bad boy that he was, he rarely got any present from his parents. So he is somewhat bad and he misbehaved with parents now. So if we misbehave with our parents, do they give gifts to us? No, that's not correct. So parents never encourage that. That's why they didn't give. So that's why this Timmy didn't get any gifts from his parents anytime. He decided to steal Sami's pen. Is it good? Can we steal it? No. So, and during recess, when everyone had gone out from the class, Timmy opened Sami's bag and took out his pen. How wrong it is? No, it's very dangerous. Should not follow this. Yes. During the recess, during break time, general break means what do we do? Yes, we all go out and play sometime with our friends and eat something, right? So all the children, they went off. So when everyone had gone out from the class, Timmy opened Sami's bag and took out his pen. He took the pen. So then he hid it inside his bag and went out to have his tiffin. So then later immediately brought that, he hid it. Hid it means hide it. So he quickly kept it. Where did he keep it? In his bag, that is Timmy's bag. So kept in his bag and later he also went out to have his tiffin. And when Sami came back and could not find his pen, where is he? Can he find it? No. Where is it? Where is the pen? Yes, that is in Timmy's bag, right? So could not find his pen. He informed his class teacher about it. Ma'am, I lost my pen. That he informed. So there was a hunt for the missing pen, and the class teacher ordered the class monitor to search the bags of everyone inside the class. So all of you keep your bags here only, and the class teacher called the monitor. Class monitors we have now. Yes, she called them. Yes, search all their bags. So try to find the Samir's pen. Yes, the missing pen was soon found out of Timmy's bag, and the furious teacher asked the errant boy, "Now Timmy, what do you have to say about it? What is this? What do you say about it now? Timmy, tell me." That teacher very angrily she asked. So the missing one, where did they find the missing pen? Yes, in the Samir's bag, Timmy's bag. So then the teacher asked errant boy. Errant means behavior badly. So that boy, teacher asked, "Now Timmy, what do you say? What do you have to say about it? What do you say about it?" That she asked. Timmy was in tears. He started to cry and he had nothing to say. Can he say anything now? Never at all. And when Sami saw Timmy cry, when Sami saw Timmy cry, he took pity on the boy. He took pity on the boy. So Sami is very kind man. So when Timmy started to cry, "Oh, so sorry," like that he felt. And the kind boy that he was, he had no ill feeling. He had no ill feeling against his classmates. So Timmy feels like that, but Sami feels like that? No. So has no ill feeling with his classmates. He requested his class teacher not to take any action against Timmy. Now that his stolen pen was found. So, but my pen was stolen, that I got it. So that's why don't give punishment to him, ma'am. How sweet he is, how kind he is, see. So don't give punishment to him, ma'am. That he told to his class teacher. So this opened Timmy's eyes. Now Timmy realized how I stole his pen also, but still he is telling to teacher, "Don't punish me." How great he is. So then he realized. So he could now see what a good boy Sami was. So now he understood how Sami was very good boy. Right? He asked for forgiveness from his teacher and Sami. So and then immediately he went to the teacher and later Sami, "Forgiveness. Please, sorry, excuse me," that he asked. From that day, he became friend with Sami and gradually changed himself to be as good as Sami. So then he became good friend to the Sami also, and gradually, all of a sudden, can we change ourselves? No. Gradually, he also changed as good as Sami also. Everyone began to love Timmy, and Sami was proud of his new friend. So, and everyone started to love Timmy also and Sami. So they felt so happy. They were very proud of their new friend also. Yes, despite being hurt by Timmy, Sami gave him back only love in return. Understood this one? Instead of hitting him or instead of giving punishment to Timmy, Sami gave love only in return. That's good friendship only in return. So you hit me, I also will hit you like that. Is it correct one? No. Yes. This is how we should also treat our enemies. Enemies means that is not of any other people. Here only if anyone comment you, again you should explain to them, no, this is not the correct way. Like that, always if we are very friendly, definitely they also will change. So, who knows, one day our behavior may just change them for the better. So, who knows, yes, to whom we are not interested now, those people later they may change and they may become better than us also, right? So, who knows about it? That's why we cannot feel negative about any others, right? Once if they show like that also, still if we show love and friendship on them, later in return we get that one only. Right? So do not harm someone even if he harms you. Be good to all. Right? So this we should learn from this lesson, children.